What's up, Buttercups? Hope you guys are having an amazingly golden day with cherries on top. My name is Elvis. This is the Golden Drive, and that is my 1982 Datsun 280ZX. And as you guys can see, it is 6:55 a.m. I have a car show at 8 a.m. And I just want to understand in this video, why do we as car enthusiasts have to do car shows so freaking early? And so we're gonna head out to the car show, but before we do that, we have to clean the Datsun because somebody didn't clean it yesterday. So yeah. Datsun is currently parked over there, and it is like 7:30 a.m. There are so many people here, but I am just here to answer the question: why are car meets so freaking early? Like it does not. I don't know. It doesn't make sense. In the morning, I mean, I am a morning person, but oh, hello. I'm just talking to the camera. Perfect timing, actually.
How are you doing? Me I talk to myself all the time, and I say, so what?
No, I'm making a video pretty much answering the question, like, why car meets are so early every time. So what are your thoughts about that? First of all,
I hate early car meets. Why do you think I came half an hour late?
True, exactly. Thank you, by the way, you saved my life. You got me a cup of coffee. So
Hello.
Why are car meets so early? And do you like them?
People are morning people, I don't know. A lot of old people like waking up early.
Are you a morning person?
Sometimes,
Okay.
only when it's worth it. Not like for work or anything, but when it's worth it, going for a hike or going for a meet, I'm down.
Yeah. And do you like it? Do you like this morning? Do you like this?
I don't like the morning thing. I like the cars. I like the dogs.
Yeah.
But I don't like the morning.
Yeah, and I know. I was talking to them earlier, and I was like, why couldn't they have just said, "Ooh, come at like 3 p.m. to a car meet"?
Yeah,
that would have
why
been
not?
amazing.
It's a Sunday.
True.
Like, people are not working on Sunday.
Exactly. It's so true. And it's funny because a lot of people also have church on Sunday, like me. So I'm probably gonna have to leave in like 15 minutes to go. And so things like that are like, okay. I wish they had this on Saturday afternoons.
Right?
Yeah. Even though I'm a morning person, but I just can't. It's freaking cold. It's like 1 degree, and it's supposed to be like 10 degrees later
you're
today.
in Canada.
So I know, true. So I'm just trying to answer that question.
Oh, okay,
I still haven't. Like, who was the person that was the first person that was like, "Oh, car meets, let's have them at 7 a.m. in the morning when it's
crazy,
not even."
that's right.
Exactly.
The real reason for these kind of meets is
Yeah.
so that the parking lots that are used by the commercial enterprises, by the time they get going, car meet's gone.
Oh, that I have actually never thought about that.
Yeah.
So he's answered the question.
Yeah.
So that's awesome. Yeah, I've naturally never thought about
if you're
that.
in the Home Depot parking lot, by the time Home Depot's open, people are actually coming shopping.
Yeah.
And the roads are empty as well right now.
That's very, very true.
You kind of have a point there.
Yeah, he does have a point. Yeah. So again, he's answered the question. The video can now end. So that's
There it is.
Yes, and Evgeny, give us a tour of your car. What is your car?
This very dirty wagon that came all the way from Quebec.
Oh, that's where there used to be a ski box on it. What happened to the ski box?
I took it off to be able to see the sky, but then it was cloudy for like 4 days straight.
Yeah.
Classic Vancouver.
Yep. That's perfect. I have never thought about that. That completely makes sense. So I guess this video is over.
Enjoy the cars.
Yeah, exactly.